Lions roar so mightily, tigers creep with eyes so bright, silent hunters in the night. Elephants with trunks so long march through trees so strong, so strong. Giraffes stretch up to the sky, reaching branches way up high. Wolves are howling at the moon, running fast, they sing their tune. Bears are resting in the shade, getting ready for trade. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, laughing in the wild so free. Zebras with stripes black and white run through the grass, what a sight. Foxes play in the forest,